Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best affordable dishwashers you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best dishwashers on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which dishwashers are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Farberware FDW05 Aspo dishwasher. If you have water, electricity and 29 minutes you can clean your dishes anywhere and anytime. Whether it's in your kitchen, camping, on your boat or RV, or at an event, now dirty dishes are a thing of the past. The Farberware Professional Complete Dishwasher can be placed on any countertop or sturdy table and gives you the choice of using its built-in water tank or a quick faucet hookup. It offers 6 different wash cycles and can also be used to steam clean baby bottles or give your glassware a sparkling clean finish. For more details about this dishwasher, let's watch more. Our second best affordable dishwashers is Amson ATDQR03 dishwasher. The Amson appliance is a total time saver, and perfect for tiny apartment. This Amson ATDQR03 countertop dishwasher is just over 18 inches tall, and come with a variety of features including a dry mode and tabletop design. After installing one in your space, you'll be treated to sparkly pots and grime-free spoons regularly. It has a LED display. That ergonomic angled display provides better viewing and sensitive touch control. Select your desired program without having to bend down. It has built-in water tank that convenient use without permanent water connection required, not occupy your faucet while delivering deep cleaning. The triple filter system prevent larger remnants of food or other objects from getting inside the pump. For best performance and results, regularly clean the filter system. More details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Novette Compact Dishwasher. Novette Countertop Dishwasher is just over 18 inches tall and easily fits under most cabinets. The unique and innovative design makes this compact dishwasher save water, electricity, and detergent while maximizing cleaning performance, providing the ultimate in cleanliness for the whole family's tableware. This dishwasher only uses 5 liters gallons of water in each wash cycle, approximately 80% less water than washing by hand. This countertop dishwasher supports 5 washing modes and a dry mode, which can easily be programmed and monitored via the LED control panel. After washing mode, the dry storage mode provides an extra 60 minutes of hot air drying for the dishes, allowing them to be completely dried while providing ventilated storage for the next 3 days. Let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Comdo portable dishwasher. After simply fill the water tank, there has no installation and modification required to use this Comdo dishwasher. This dishwasher size is equivalent to an ordinary microwave oven but has 18 pieces dishes. With unique double spray arm design, 360 degrees omnidirectional and 162F high temperature washing ability make this product reliable performance. This product is suitable for users who are decorating the house, because it can be embedded in the whole cabinet to ensure the integrity of the kitchen. Let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best affordable dishwashers list is Danby DDW1804EU dishwasher. In terms of save time and money with Danby's 18 Energy Star compliant low water consumption dishwasher. This built-in dishwasher holds up to 8 place settings in one silverware basket. It has 6 wash cycles to choose from: heavy, normal, eco, glass, rapid and rinse, 4 hot water temperature options plus sanitize mode. Equipped with a stainless steel tub, this dishwasher can withstand years of washes. The delay start feature allows you to pre-select a desired start time so your dishes get washed on your schedule. With Smart Wash, dirty dishes are automatically detected and a wash cycle similar to a short wash is performed. More details, let's watch more.